I wrote out some solutions for the extra practice problems for Quiz 3 worksheet. The top questions are these review questions for graphing. So I want to go over that first. So question number 1, is this even, odd, or neither? Now we're not talking about the degree, we're talking about the whole entire function. So I look at the exponents. I've got 4, 2, 1, and 0. So this is neither even or odd because of that exponent of 1 that's implied right there. I'm going to go on to 2 and come back. So number 2 has exponents of 3, 1, but then this constant has an exponent of 0. So this again is neither because of that constant. Question 3, even, odd, or neither. So we've got 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Nope. We've got even, we've got odd. Because they're mixed, it's neither even or odd. Question 4, my exponents are 5, 3, and 1. Those are all odd exponents. Oh, did I say coefficients? I meant exponents. My exponents are 5, 3, and 1. Because my exponents are all odd, this is an odd function. Has nothing to do with the coefficient, right? We have an even coefficient, but that doesn't matter. I'm just looking at the exponents. So odd exponents, an odd function because they're all odd. Number 5, the exponents are 4, 2, and 0. Those are all even numbers, so this is an even function. And again, right, this coefficient is odd, but that doesn't matter. We're not looking at coefficients. We're just looking at the exponents. Okay, let's talk about graphing. State the degree of the function, describe the end behavior. Let me take those off. Okay, so this first one has a degree 4 because my biggest coefficient is 4. So if the degree is even, next I look for the leading coefficient. This has a leading coefficient of 1 implied, right? Because there's nothing in front, there's no number in front of that x to the 4th. So because I've got an even degree and a positive leading coefficient, right? Number 1 is going to be a smiley face. It's really hard to draw with a highlighter. And so go back to that video I just posted on end behavior and you look up smiley face and you see that as x goes to infinity, f of x goes to infinity. As x goes to negative infinity, f of x goes to positive infinity, right? So once you know that it's an even degree and a positive leading coefficient, you can just look it up in on that chart and see what the end behavior looks like. So same here, we've got degree 3. That's an odd degree, which is different, right? This function's not odd, but the degree is odd. We've got a positive leading coefficient, and so we look it up on that chart. So with an odd degree and a positive leading coefficient, as x goes to negative infinity, the function goes to negative infinity. As x goes to positive infinity, the function goes to positive infinity. So again, once we have the degree and the leading coefficient, we can look it up on that chart and see how to describe the end behavior.